Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Yancy and this is the Miss Yancy Network, where we explore our purpose through gardening, cooking, and all things natural. Today, you're in my kitchen and I will be preparing a simple meal. As I promised in the last video, I was going to show you guys what I will be cooking with the bounty that I got from my garden. I will be preparing some Kenke and fried fish and a tomato and pepper sauce to go along with it. I will be making some fried plantain on the side. This is more of a Ghanaian traditional dish that I will be preparing. Come along with me as you see what I'm gonna do with that tomato and pepper that I harvested today. Before we get started, I am going to eat one of these tomatoes because they're just so good.
One look and I breathe. Look at this letter. Look.
So to prepare tomato sauce that I will be eating with my Kenke, I'm going to be using some garlic, some ginger, some onions, some red onions. I have the pepper that I harvested and some of the tomatoes that I harvested, and I'm gonna use my little tiny jalapenos that I harvested by mistake.
That she just wasn't prepped correctly. Rooms all over the globe.
Never overlooked.
To have Taraji our drinking cycle.
So I'm about to set this aside and then go and start frying the fish and preparing the other stuff for the Kenke. So I know a lot of you might ask me, what is Kenke? This is what it looks like. I bought it from the store. It's pretty much fermented corn. I'm gonna put this on the stove and boil it so it can get soft. It's pretty hard. While that's happening, I am gonna boil some eggs and then get to frying the fish. I already seasoned the fish, so I don't need to do any seasoning. So this is the fish I'm gonna fry. I seasoned it with some sazon, parsley, some black pepper, and a little bit of chicken knorr seasoning, just a little bit. Oh my gosh, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna hurry up, show you what I'm about to do next. So whenever I am frying like plantains and fish and stuff like that, I like to put some habaneros in the oil as well as onions. So pretty much what it does is just flavor the oil, and the habaneros make the oil hot, and then the onion gives it that flavor. And so when you fry your fish or your plantains or whatever, it gives it an extra flavor apart from the seasoning, as well as have like a little spice, you know, into your fish. You know, over here we love the spices. You'll see that I eat a lot of pepper. We eat a lot of pepper in this household, y'all. I'm gonna go let the camera charge for a little bit and then get back to you guys. So I'm just gonna cut up some onions and put that in the oil. Do you want some onions? Okay. No, it's not. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in here while the oil get hot. Throw some habaneros in there, and I will let that fry for a little bit, and then I am going to put the fish in there when the oil is hot. So pretty much allow it to fry for about 5 minutes on each side. If you want like a soft type of fried fish, it's still going to have a little bit of crunch on the outside, but it's not as dry on the inside. If that's what you're going for, let it fry for 5 minutes on each side. If you want it a little harder, then you could let it fry for like 10 minutes on each side. Here. I'm gonna remove the onions because I don't want them to burn. I'm actually gonna put it in my sauce that I'm making, the tomato sauce. I'm gonna use some of the habanero, probably use one. Actually, I might use two. I'll use two. And let's put the last fish in there. Alright, so now I'm about to cut these peppers to put them in here. They're all gonna get mashed up together. Yes?
I want to go to the river.
You wanna go to the river?
Yeah.
These are supposed to be Asian hot peppers. I bought the seedling from the Asian market, but I tried it the last time and it wasn't hot at all. Like, it's like a little sweet, almost like a green bell pepper. It tastes like a green bell pepper, honestly. There's like no spice, but it's really good. This is the baby jalapeno that I mistakenly picked. I'm actually gonna put it in the oil. See what it tastes like. See if it's spicy yet. It's not spicy. Like, it's okay. So maybe the spice hasn't fully formed. Maybe. Who knows? I'm actually not gonna put it in the oil. I thought it was gonna be spicy so it could make the oil spicier, but I'm just gonna put it in here too. I'm gonna grate this garlic and ginger. Alright guys, so I have the plantains frying right now. It's on medium heat. I'm gonna let it fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it fry until it starts to like get a little brown. Alright, so this is pretty much the brown that I'm going for. You see it here. And it's like a light brown. I'm gonna let the Kenke boil for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes because I really want it like super soft. Eggs is ready and the Kenke is ready. As you can see, it's like really soft. I don't know if y'all can see the softness, but when I peel it open, you will see it. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit there so it could cool down for a little bit before I open it. Alright guys, you saw all of what I have in here. So I have the tomatoes that I got from my garden. I have some ginger and garlic that I grated. I have the Asian peppers that I got from the garden. And then I have some onions that I fried in the oil to get the flavor for the fish, and the plantains, and then the habaneros that I also put in the oil for the flavor. Is what I have, all of what I have in here. And then now I'm just gonna add some Maggi, which is like chicken seasoning cubes. I'm gonna put 2 of them in here and then taste it to see if I like the taste. And I'm gonna blend all of it together and then we'll be done. So I added more tomatoes because I wanted more, so I'm gonna add 1 more Maggi chicken bouillon cube and just stir it. It's pretty much ready. Alright, I am going to take some out, pour it in this bowl so we can eat it later. And then I'm gonna leave some in here, which is where I'm going to eat the Kenke. Alrighty, y'all, so the Kenke, fish, everything, the pepper, everything is ready. So I'm about to plate it and then get to eating. So this is the final result. As you can see, I have the Kenke sitting in the middle of the pepper sauce that I made, along with the fish, the plantains, some red onions, and then this black sauce is shito, onion, pepper, as well as the eggs for some razzle dazzle. You saw that I wash my hands, right? I wash my hands, and also it is in my culture to eat with your hands, especially when you're eating stuff like this. So I don't want nobody in the comments telling me, ew, you're eating with your hands. If the meal is calling for a fork, y'all, the pepper sauce that I made with the tomatoes, the tomato sauce, it is so good, especially mixed with the shito. Add a little bit of fish in there with the onions. Wow. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm officially ending the video now because I'm gonna go sit down, put on Netflix, and eat my food and enjoy. Have a good one. Bye, y'all. Until next time.